Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're just starting out on YouTube or just video shooting in general, then there's probably going to be a lot of equipment and accessories that you want to get, but you don't want to break the bank. And one of the most important tools that you're going to need is a tripod. And so today I'm going to be going over my best budget tripods for beginners, and all of these are less than $60. These are tripods that I've used for years now, pretty much ever since the beginning, and they served me well up until now, and they're definitely going to still be there way in the future. So let's go ahead and go over my favorite budget tripods. So let's start off with my main tripod, and that is the Manfrotto Compact Action Tripod. I've been using this for years now, and I absolutely love it because there's so many great features that this has, starting with the actual build quality itself. This is made of lightweight aluminum, and so it's very easy and compact for you to carry this around. But at the same time, it's really sturdy as well. And so I've taken this tripod outdoors, and this works great. And I have a lot of confidence in that if I do put a camera on it, I don't have to worry about it falling over because it can't handle the weight, especially when I compare it to cheaper tripods. And so the second thing is all the really smart and intuitive design features that they put in this tripod, starting with the most important area, and that is this flexible tripod head. So Manfrotto gives you a lot of great features. First and foremost, they give you a detachable plate so you can put different types of cameras. And then we have the tripod itself. If you look here, you can move this in a variety of different angles, and it has this fluid motion. So if you're trying to do pans on your videos, this is great for that, and this handle makes things really easy. And on top of it, if you are a photographer, you can go into photography mode where you can adjust the top of this right here and adjust it at whatever angle that you want. So all of these things make for a really feature-rich camera for videographers or photographers. And now the other things that it provides is it provides this 5-section tripod level. So you could go here and you could adjust 4 levels down here. So different varying heights, as you could see. And then if for some reason that's not enough, it has a 5th section as well. So as you could see here, you could actually loosen this up, and then you could get even more height out of your tripod. So all of these things make for not only a great beginner tripod, but also something that will grow with you in time. And that's why this is my main tripod. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so the second tripod that I have is one that I practically carry around with me all the time, and that is my Manfrotto Pixie tripod. And very similar to its older brother, it has many of the same great qualities, starting with the excellent build quality, which is made of really hard plastics. And at the same time, the way in which it's designed, whenever you hold and grip this tightly, you don't feel like it's going to fall out of your hand, and you don't feel like you're going to break it versus much cheaper tripods which uses really low quality plastics. And then the second and most important feature is the actual tripod head. And this one is really cool because it allows you to adjust it at many different angles and then lock it as well. This is great. And then if you were just starting out and you were shooting your videos with your smartphone, you could pair it with this Manfrotto Smart Clamp, which allows you to place this vertically or horizontally. And so as you can see, these are great quality tripods. All of them are less than $60. This one's $20. The Manfrotto Action Tripod is about $50. And then if you were to get the Smart Clamp, this is about $10. And so all of these things together, these make a great package if you are just starting out. And at least for me, these are tripods that will grow with you over time. And as you could probably tell, all of these are Manfrotto because I really feel that for this price range, this is going to be the best quality overall. Now, they do make more expensive tripods as well, but ever since I got these, I never felt like I was lacking anything. And if I do make an upgrade, then it's probably going to be a Manfrotto as well. And so that is my review and thoughts on the best budget tripods for beginners. All of these are less than $60. If you wanted to get these and you wanted to support my channel, I do have affiliate links in the description area below. And if you wanted to see my reviews of both of these tripods and the Smart Clamp, I will leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.